Roam42 has a nice but small feature. It's a dictionary. It's based on the free open source WordNet dictionary. While free, it's quite robust. Well, how can you use this? If you go into the Roam42 menu, you'll notice that there is an option called Dictionary. Click on that, and this little input box shows up. Type in the word that you're interested in, and now select the word and its definition that interests you. If I click on, for example, Roam, you'll notice that it pops up in a little toaster. And this will stay visible for a brief period of time, or I can close it with the X. This allows us to stay focused on continuing to make our notes, but still have the definition visible. Let's close that. This is also accessible through the keyboard, Alt-Shift period. Let me demonstrate. I'm pressing Alt-Shift period. Now I'm typing in the word Roam. And now I'm using the up and down arrows. So you can actually navigate this from your keyboard without ever clicking the mouse. If I press Enter now, you'll see it pops up in the toaster. However, let's say I want to insert the definition into my notes. Let's go into an empty block here. So I'm right here. Let us now press the shortcut, Alt-Shift period. Type in the word that I'm looking for. So I'm looking for Roam. Press down arrow. Now press Enter. And you'll see the word was inserted along with its definition into my notes. So in review, you can access the dictionary through the menu or through the shortcut keyboard Alt-Shift period. And depending on your context, if nothing is selected, the definition is shown in a pop-up window here briefly, or if you're editing a block, it'll be inserted.